Right. So in the previous session, we understand the counting sort, when we should use, when we should not use, and the limitations. And when you have a larger range of values, we cannot go for a counting sort. The best to go is radix sort. So we'll try to understand the radix sort first. Then we'll go to right. So I have values like this. Array contains my values 319, something 212. I have value 6, 8, 150. These are my values. So as of this, if I go with the counting sort only, can I do this with the counting sort? Yes, you can do, but performance will go worst because it will go for n square, right? Not n plus 1. It will go for n square because you have to create a k. Here the k becomes 320, right? The range is 0 to 319 because max is 319, 0 to 319. 0 to 319 means it will go for n square, n cube. So performance will be time complexity will be worst. That's what we won't go for counting. We'll go for radix. So what we do in radix? Step 1 in the radix, identify the maximum first. What is the maximum in this? What is the maximum in this? 319. 319. In 319, which is the maximum, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there, right? So for easiness, I'm converting this to 3-digit number. I mean 319, next 212. 6 is there. 6 also 3-digit representation I'm doing just for easy understanding. 006, 8, 008. 100, 3-digit already there. 50 means 3-digit 050. So just add the leading zeros. In the program, no need to add. This is only I'm adding here for understanding the logic. We have a number like this. So make it leading zeros. Next. This is the actual sorting, actual step. First step is, in these 3 digits are there, right? Each number has 3 digits. So what is the first digit or the least significant digit? What is the least significant digit, guys? Say sort first digit. And there is also I'm using stable sort. Stable sort first digit or least significant digit, LSD. Just shortly I'm calling as least significant digit. Or so tell me, what are the least significant digit in 319? What is the least significant digit in 319? Or a first digit? It is a 319. How, Abdul? Either it will come 3 or 9. 1 impossible, right? 9 list is 9, guys. 9. 2, 6, 8, 0, and 5. Sort this. You sort this. First do the algorithm. Sort this. Only digits you sort. Only 1 digit base sort. 1 digit means how many digits will be there? It is ranging from 0 to 9, right? I'm taking 3-digit numbers are there, guys. 319, 212, 006, 008, 100, 50. In this 1 digit only, I'm taking just a sort based on 1 digit. Possibilities of 1 digit means 0 to 9 only, right? So sort it. What will come first? Tell me. First is 0. First digit 0. How many are there? 319, not 0. 212, no, 006. Next, 100 is there and 50. First digit 2 are there. Which one? 100 and 50, 2 are there. Very good. Which one has to come first? 100 can I place or 50 can I place? Manish is telling 50. But I used a term here. Manish, see, I want a stable sort. I want a stable sort, guys. So when you cross check, first you found is 100, right? First you found is 100, 0. So stable means order has to be maintained. Very good. So first you keep 100. So we got a 0. Next you 50. Okay. Next what will come? Next. 0 over 1 is not there. 2 and 2. Very good. Next. After 2, 3 is not there. 4 is not there. 5 is not there. 0, 0, 6. 7 is not there. 0, 0, 8. And 319. Done. So sorted according to the one digit. Next, step number 2 is 3. Stable sort, second digit. Second digit, tell me, second digit means you have this 0, 5, 1, 0, 0, and 1. 0, which one will come first? 100 only, right? 100 only will come first. Next, again 0 means 006. Next 008. Second digit is important for us and stable sorting important. Second digit important, 0. Remaining all first digit and ignore. Second digit 008. Next third digit 1. We want a 1. 1, how many are there? 1, 212 is there, 319 is there. First occurrence because of stable sort 212. 1 we got, 319. Okay. Then what is pending last? 0, 5, 0. Wonderful. This is a third and last pass, I think, right? Stable sort for third digit, guys. Do the third digit. Third digit means the 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, and 0. Okay. Tell me, first is 0. Starting with 0, which one I have to take? 0, how many are there? 006, 008, 050. Which one I will take? 006, 008, 050. Next is 1. 1 means 100. Next 2. 212. Next 3. 319. Have you observed anything? Have you observed anything, guys? It is already sorted, just already sorted. Why 3 passes? This is the pass 1. This is the pass 2. This is the pass 3. Why 3 passes? Because I have a 3-digit numbers. If I have only 2-digit numbers, I will have only 2 passes. If I have a 5-digit numbers, then I need to go for 5 passes. Okay. And each pass, you are sorting 1 digit. Now tell me, you are calling a sort here, right? Again, you're calling sort here in second pass. Again, you're calling sort here in second pass. Now, what is the numbers you are sorting each time in each pass? I think you are sorting only 0 to 9. Am I right? You are sorting only 0 to 9. Am I right? You are sorting only 0 to 9. Am I right? Each case, you are considering only one digit. First digit in the first pass, second digit in second pass, third digit in second. Your numbers can be, number of elements I considered 6 here. It may be 6,000, but taking digit only. So is it a kind of a range? Is it a kind of a range you are sorting? Yes. Range is 0 to 9. Can I go for a counting sort now? To sort the one digit, one pass, in each pass, can I do a counting sort? In each pass, can I do a counting sort? Here use counting sort to range to sort 0 to 9. Again, you call a counting sort with 0 to 9. Again, you call a counting sort for 0 to 9 range sort. So what is the k value in each case? K is 10, k is 10, k is 10. Because the range is 0 to 9. Okay? Now, what you are doing in the radix sort? In the radix, you are dividing, you are taking each digit of a number. First, you find a maximum. First, you find a maximum and identify how many digits are there. Depending on the number of digits available, call the count sort that many number of times. Is it simple? Is that simple, guys? First, to find a number of maximum. 319 is the maximum. How many digits? 3 digits. Then for each digit, call a counting sort one time. 3 times I'm calling counting sort. In the first time when I calling counting sort, I'll take a first digit and sort that. Second time when I call a counting sort, take a second digit and call the count sort. Third time when I'm doing, just take third digit and call a count sort. So previous count sort algorithm we will use as sub function here. In the radix sort, no, because at the leading zeros, I just taken here for your understanding purpose. In the real algorithm, we won't write any leading zeros. Clear? Because you won't write any leading. Because in Java, when you add a 0 before, the number value will change. It will become octal number, right? So this is, we consider the numbers are decimal numbers. Decimal numbers means must not start with 0 or a 0x or something else. Decimal numbers. Just for understanding the logic, I just taken leading zeros represented on the board, but we won't do that in the real program. So can we go ahead, guys? Okay. Start coding, and if any things will come back for diagram again. So radix sort, use radix sort when you have large range values. Number 2. Can I say it is a stable sorting, guys? Can I say it is stable sorting? Radix is stable or not? Radix is stable or not? Stable. Yes, you are right, Bikash. And what about, is it a comparison sorting algorithm? Is it a comparison based algorithm? No, right? It is not a comparison based. It is again a counting based only. It is also a counting based, because radix sort is not a comparison based. It counts the occurrences. Just same point I'm copy pasting. Occurrences instead of that. And you say radix sort uses counting sort as subfunction. As subfunction. Fine. So come back to the coding. So counting is done. 26. Radix sort. So we need a counting also in this, right? We need a counting also. Keep the counting as it is. Any changes on the counting, we'll write again. Radix sort function I'm writing. For radix sort, any k is required? No, right? Radix sort. What is the error meaning? Okay. Done. So what is the first task in the radix sort? Please tell me. From the algorithm, what you understand, what is the first task in the radix sort, guys? First to find the maximum, right? First you have to find the maximum. Why to find first find a maximum? Okay, int maximum, simple algorithm I will write. Int max. I'm considering initially first element is a max. Initially consider first element as a max and write the loop for I equals to 1. Starting from 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, if error of I, starting from I is 1, from 1 take each element. If error of I greater than max, then that is the max. You make it max equals to error of I. Is this okay? Simple logic for finding a max. Clear, guys? Super. Come back. I'll give you another technique here. Tell me, guys, what is the max value? These are the simple mathematical questions. We calculated max from the array. Currently, it comes as a 319. Okay. Now, in the first sorting, what we need actually, we need the first digits. Tell me the first digits only if you take. I'm taking only first digits, which are 9, 2, 6, 8, 0, and 0. Is this a first list? Is this a first list, guys? I'm considering only the first digits for easiness. So this is my array, indirectly, right? Simple array. And range is, whereas k equals to 10, I think, am I right? 0 to 9 only. So for this first digits I'm taking, you may have, these values have 6 only. You may have a 6,000, even 6 lakhs values. Even though 6 lakhs values, the range is 0 to 9 only. So I can happily use the counting sort. The best, right? I have 10,000 values in the array, which are ranging from 0 to 9. The counting sort is the best. So I'll apply counting sort. Now, I just, in the board, I just taken the last digits. The 9 I considered, 2 I considered, 6 I considered, 8, 0, 0 like this. But from the original numbers, how can I extract these numbers? From the original 319, I will take, I want a 9. 212, I want a 2. 006, I want to take a 6. 008, I want to take 8. 00100, I want to take a 0. 050, I want to take a 0. How to get that? How to get that, guys? Tell me. I want a first digit out of, tell me the mathematical, you should know this basic formula. You tell me the how to take first digit formula. Number percentage 10. Okay. So first I'll take my number 319. Okay. 319 percentage 10. How much it comes? 319 percentage 10, guys. I'll get 9. Wonderful. Next 212 percentage 10. What I'll get? 212 percentage 10. 2 I'll get. 6 percentage 10, guys. Very good. 8 percentage 10. So I know how to get a first digit. Wonderful. Next, I want to take a second digit, guys. How to take a second digit? Tell me. What are second digits? I am considering second digits here as from the 0. From this you take. After first sort completed, 0, then 5, then 1, 0, 0, 1. This is my second array, second digit array. Second digit array, again a k equals to 10 only, range is 0 to 9 only. How to get a second digit? Abhishek answered as n percentage 100. Am I right? N percentage 100. N percentage 100. N percent 100 means, so first I have, you take for example 319, guys. 319 percentage 100. What you will get? 319 100 100 into 3, 300. You have a 19. You got a 19, but we want a 1. So tell me the logic to do it. See this, how you get this. See, I'll tell you the way here. First, what I'll do, I am taking expression, something, exp. I'll start with exp equals to 1. Okay. This is, I want to take a first digit like. Now, exp as 1. You make it as initially the value I am taking as, suppose n by 10. Sorry, n percentage 10. When I say n percentage 10, I'm getting first digit. And you know, n percentage 10 always gives the last digit. Am I right? N percentage 10 always gives the, yeah, Bikash has answered. Very good, Bikash. In that case, a little bit change, little bit mistake is there in your formula, Bikash, you see. First I have a 319, guys. Okay. Now 319 percentage 10, which is the 9 I am getting, first digit. Next time I want a second digit, means can I change the number? Can I change the number? Second time what I will do? First I will do 319 by 10. What is 319 by 10? What is 319 by 10? Not percentage, by 10. 319 by 10, guys. 31, wonderful. Again, 31 percentage 10 is 1 only, I think, right? Now you have a 31. Next time, I want a third. Tell me, you tell me. This you 319 by 1, I am saying first. 319 by 1 means 319 only. Percentage 10 is 9. 319 by 10. And result percentage 10 is 1. Can I say 319 by 100? What is 319 by 100, please? Yeah, because you are on the way. 319 by 100 is 3. 3 percentage 10 is 3. So the percentage 10 will keep it remaining. And what I am doing? The number by 1. in the first iteration. So here you see, first I want a first digit. I'll do like this. Second, I want second digit, means I'll do by 10. Next, I'll do by 100. So for that, what I am doing is, I am starting my counting sort for loop. I am taking for int exp equals to 1. I am taking first. Okay. Then exp equals to exp into 10. Why I am using exp into 10 here is, some condition you have to write, leave the condition. Why exp into 10 is, I'll tell you. You call the counting sort now. Counting sort of array and exp as parameters. So now you tell me how I'm going to call this. First you will call counting sort. Counting sort you will call with first exp as 1. Am I right? Next, I'll call counting sort. Second time, exp equals to exp into 10. 1 into 10, 10. So next time I'm calling as 10. Do you understand, guys? Next I have to do 100. 3 times I'm calling. The exp I'm passing here. In the first counting sort, how many times I have to call? Counting sort, how many times I have to call in this example? In the sample data, 3 times, because I have a 3-digit max number is there. So first time I'm calling with the 1, second with the 10, second with third, because first I'm going to, this gives the first digit. Am I right? This is to sort first digit. This is to sort second digit. And this is to sort a third digit. So when you terminate this, somewhere you have to write a condition to terminate, right? Why we calculate max is, you say max by exp. Max by exp always should be greater than 0. Whenever max by exp is 0, you stop that. You do, what is the max value? Tell me. Max we calculate as 319, right? So exp initially 1. 319 by 1. Next 319 by 10. Second time exp 10, right? Next 319 by 100. So what is it? 319 by 1 is 319, right? Then 319 greater than 0. Okay. Next 319 by 10. 319 by 10 is, what is 319 by 10, guys? 31. So 31 greater than 0. Wonderful. Next 319 by 100, which is 3 greater than 0. So 3 times it repeats the loop. Fourth time it will go 319 by 100 into exp, 100 into 10, 1000. 319 by 1000. What's it? 319 by 1000? 0. So when this expression gives the 0, 0 greater than 0 false, comes out. How many times the counting sort will be called? How many times the for loop repeated? 3 times, because we have only 3 digits only. We have only 3 digits. Automatically this expression makes 3 calls. Suppose I have a 2-digit number, guys. For example, when I have a 2-digit number, maybe maximum is 75, for example. Then what happens? 75 by 1, 75 by 10, 75 by 100. This is 75 greater than 0. Okay, repeats the loop. This is 7 greater than 0. Okay, 75 by 100 is 0 greater than 0 false. It won't go. So 2 times it is repeating. 2 times it is calling the counting sort, because I have 2-digit max number. Whenever I have a 3-digit max number, 3 times okay, 4th time terminates the loop. When I have 4-digit number, automatically it repeats the counting sort function call 4 times. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? That's it. Radix is over. Only little bit changes you have to do in the counting sort only. Radix call is over, guys. This is the radix. In the radix sort, find the max first, then depending on the number of digits you have, depending on the number of digits you have, you call the counting star that many number of times. And expression you're passing is very important. And this is not the K for the counting sort. This is not the K for the counting sort. This is expression. So we need to change the counting sort little bit in this case. Come back to this. So K is second parameter is not K. It is an expression you're passing. What are the expression values coming? Tell me. What are the different expression values coming up here? What are the different expression values coming up here in the count chart? Because wonderful. First 1, then 10, then 100. 3 times only it is calling. Super. Next. So array I have. What is the array I have? Make the array. Again I am writing. 319, 212, 6, 8. What is the next? 150. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values are there. Fine. Now, next question to you guys. Line number 14 is showing an error. Can you correct that? Previously, K we are passing the range. So with the K size, count array is created. But K I am not passing. What is the K? K is not there. What I have to take? What should be the size of the count array? Chandan is telling K take as EXP. Think. I explained in the previous explanation. Manish is telling N. Abhishek is telling 10. Please think some more. K is always 10 because, right. I think 2 guys right. Abhishek and Bikash. See guys, here it cannot be EXP Chandan because EXP 100 coming, right? In the first digits when you take, here guys, from the first digits, what are coming in the first digit? 9, 2, 6, 8, 0 and 0. What are the digits you have in this? Always digits range is 0 to 9. So counting array size always the 10, right? In the radix sort, the K is always 10. You hard code, no problem. Make a K as a 10. Very good. Next, count the occurrences. Count the occurrences. Yes, we need to count the occurrences. But here, is it you are counting occurrences means what you are counting? You are counting the whole element or the first digits only, right? This is my counting array. Okay, counting array. 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index, sixth index, seventh index, eighth index, ninth index. That's it. 9 index, 0 to 9. Okay. So what you have to find in this? How many zeros are there in this? Okay. How many zeros? 2 zeros. How many ones not there? How many twos? 1. How many threes? 0. How many fours? 0. How many fives? 0. 6, 1, 7, 0, 8, 1, 9, 1. Is it? Totally how many? 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6. Yeah, we are counting only first digits, guys. This first digits, correct? These are separated here. This only you are counting. So now, you from this, you are not counting the whole. See, count of, is it ARR? Is this okay or any changes on this? Line number 18, you think and tell me. If I take line number 18 as it is, count of ARR of I is 0, means 319. It will take as a count of ARR of I is 319. Count of 319 plus. Is it you want to do? Is it you want to do? It gives the index error, right? In the count array, we have 0 to 9 only. This is a wrong expression. This gives the array index out of bounds exception. This you don't want. Whole ARR of I you don't want. You want only the first digit of that. Bring the first digit out of this. Bring the first digit out of this. What is the expression change? ARR of I is a 319. Okay. Then by EXP, I told you by EXP, guys, percentage 10. Correct? By EXP percentage 10. By EXP percentage 10. ARR of I 319 by EXP. First time EXP coming as a 1. So 319 percentage 10. 319 percentage 10 gives you, I think, 9, right? So 9 count will increase 1. Then ARR of I is 1, 212. Then ARR of I 212 by 1, 212 percentage 10, 2 count will increase here as 1. Like that, respective. 10 times it repeats. No, n times it repeats for n values. So expression can I change? Do you understand this expression? Already explained, guys. Not ARR of I directly. It should be ARR of I by EXP. Why I am telling EXP especially here is currently EXP 1. Second time I wanted 10. Second time EXP coming 10 because I'll take a second digit, right? That's what by 10. Third time EXP will come 100. So ARR of I by 100 means I'll get a 3. 3% means I'll get a 3. Plus plus. Is this fine? Okay, done, guys. Next. So counting occurrences done. Then updating is required. Tell me the updating logic. Tell me the update logic, guys. Update logic, tell me. This line number 22, 23, how to do changes. What is the K value? Very good. I missed this, Manish. Manish, you are right. Percentage 10, I forget. Correct. Yeah, because yes, I missed that. Please come to the line number 22. K error showing. What is the K value? What is the K value, guys? Chandan, you're right now. Manish, you're right now. Is a 10 fixed always. 10 fixed always. And line number 23? Same. Counting story is same. No change. Done. That is done. Next. Creating output array, same thing. Filling, I think you have to change. Filling, you have to change, guys. Filling, you have to change because this is count of ARR of I is wrong, right? Count of ARR of I is wrong. What I do instead of ARR of I? Can I take this? ARR of I by XP percentage 10 instead of ARR of I, count of ARR of I. This. As we are taking the digits, the small expression change in this. That's it. Once the filling done, then you move to this. Digit-wise sorting happens. If you want, what I'll do is, I'll temporarily print this in each iteration, guys. What I'll do, come to the radix sort. In each iteration, I'll print the values. First time is 0, first digit base sorting, I am printing it. To see the output, whatever we discussed, the dry run. Let me to run this program. No, output I had to change. This is not the right output, guys. We have a 319, 212, 6, 8, 100, 50. K not required for us to pass. Here we have to call a radix sort. Oh, K is not there. Done this. This is the original array. Okay, this is also first iteration, I think, guys. First time we have print 150. 212 68319. Go to our diagram and see first time, first digit based 100 50 212 68319. 150 212 68219. Correct? 319. Next, second 100 68 212 319 50. 100 68 212 319 50. 100 68 212 319 50. Last iteration, it is coming up as. So how the change is happening each iteration, we have done this. This is temporarily I printed for seeing it. But you have assorted, right? Is this clear, guys? Wonderful. Now we'll go for the last bucket sort. Okay. One use case for bucket sort, when values are uniformly distributed, then use bucket sort. What is the meaning of? Suppose, example, I have the values from, again, range I am taking. It seems like a range, 0 to 9 only. The values in the array are 0 to 9. Time complexity of radix sort. Okay. I forgot to explore. What is the time complexity of radix sort, guys? See, radix sort time complexity. Is it same as n plus k? Is it same as n plus k? Here k is the 10 only, right? K is the 10 only. So n plus 10 is a linear, right? After removing the constants, we have big O of n. Big O of